We're all falling and we need a place to hide, a safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. The cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill, tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way back? Nobody knows. And we leave it all behind. Can't you see, we need some time. And we all sit around the fire. We feel a little warmer now. And we all sit around the fire. We feel so much better now.